Welcome to the channel. My brother has bought another product for his 2022 Honda Goldwing. This time he installs KURYAKYN air deflectors that go on the front side panels of his bike there. There'll be a link in the description below. I'm just fair warning that I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you use this link to purchase, I will receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. It's the same cost. All right. But anyway, on to his video. And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified of new videos when they come out. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. And I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.
So I'm over here again, installing yet another part. This time I picked up some the KURYAKYN air deflectors from my 22 Goldwing. This is what they look like. There's the instructions and the bolts. It's pretty straightforward for instructions. Basically, they sit right here. You take out this bolt here and that bolt there, and then there'll be some 3M tape that sticks here and here. You don't really need the 3M tape here, but for here, if you didn't, it might flap a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. Basically, just take the bolts out. Always test fit. Make sure you do use you can use like a glass cleaner to clean it up, and then maybe use the alcohol wipes if any kind of grease is on there, the 3M tape won't fit. It won't stick. But this is basically the end of it. All right, well, I'll record it once I get them on. All right, I have them on. They actually look really good. They look like part of the bike. I hope they don't make too much noise going down the road. They are a little bit, a little bit loose. Not bad. I mean, there's only 2 bolts that hold it. There should have been like a clip or something up front here, but otherwise they do look, man, they look really good. They do stick out, and they do kind of like lock in. I do like that. So let's see how that works. All right, well, thank you.